Let's unbox the Meadowsweet Moon 4-in-1 magnetic bracelet from Magnetic Mobility. Inside the gift box you will find care instructions and information about the bracelet. The bracelet is beautifully packaged. So the bracelet is a stainless steel 4-in-1 magnetic bracelet, meaning that it's got 4 elements hidden away in the back of it. The Neodymium Magnets, Germanium, FIR elements and negative ions. So this one is a beautiful design. It's got like a butterfly type design on it. This bracelet was featured on the Late Late Show with Jill menopause gift sets. So to close the bracelet, simply hook it over your wrist and make sure that you hear the clasp click closed. So size options are available on our website, or if it's a gift for someone, you can simply choose the gift size, and the gift size option comes with a sizing tool. The sizing tool has a QR code on it, which you can scan, and it will show you a video on our website of how to take the links out step by step if you need to make it smaller. All of this is available on our website, magneticmobility.ie.